In this video, I'll show you how to convert MKV files to MP4 using OBS Studio. Let's get started. If you record videos in OBS using the MKV format, you might notice that some editing software. So to fix this, we need to convert those files into a more compatible format like MP4. The good news is that OBS has a built-in feature called Remux Recordings that makes this super easy. First, open OBS Studio. Next, go to the top menu and click on File, then select Remux Recordings. A new window will open asking you to choose your MKV files. Now, select your MKV files or simply drag them into the window. Once added, you'll see the original file name and the new destination file name. If everything looks good, click on the Remux button. OBS will now convert your MKV files into MP4 format. This process usually takes just a few moments. Once it's done, click OK. Now go back to the folder where your original files were saved. You'll see the new MP4 files there, ready to use. You can open them to check, and they should work perfectly in any editing software. And that's it. That's how you can easily convert MKV files to MP4 using OBS Studio. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.